Okay guys, well welcome back for part 2. So taking the belt out, as you saw, was not too bad. So trying to get the belt under this pulley, kind of difficult. So what I had to do is I had to take and use my 3/8 ratchet with the, let's find it, on the socket size that you will need to take this off. 7/16 socket to take the little bolt and washer off, so we could just put all this back together. This isn't taking too much time, and pretty much anybody can do this. Now what you will see here on this pulley is there is a notch here, which there is a notch down here on this spindle. So these have to line up, otherwise it's gonna not work the right way. So I'm going to take the belt and I'm gonna notch it around there, and going to take this and we're gonna find the notch for the pulley, however it has to get on there. So we got the belt on there. We want to slide this in. And now this notch is in here. This is good. Take our bolt and washer. Start it by hand and get it started and moving back in there. Change the direction of the ratchet. Still too much slop and play in there, so hand tighten it as much as we can. And it's nice and tight because I felt the auger move. Alright, great guys. This is good, this is good. Belt is on there. As I said, the new belt has got some more tension in it, so it takes a little bit of work to just get it up and under. And we're trying to just get it over this hump. And we know this is the right belt because the numbers do match. So it's almost there, guys. Almost there. Almost there. Sometimes it takes a little bit of persuasion, but it will get there. It's almost on there, guys. Almost. lucky for this doesn't have any timing marks or anything like that like a car does. So that's always a nice thing. And there we go, folks. New belt is on there. And ready to rock and roll. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, I think. But yeah, we're gonna keep the old belt just as a backup, and we'll go from there. But now let's reinstall the cover, guys. Same way as the way I took it off. Spring is good, everything looks good, and let's put these slots back in there. It folds up, and we can start and take. We're gonna start with helps when you have two hands working on something versus two sets of hands working on something versus just one. So we started the back one. Got to switch our sockets up because there's a different size that goes in here. So we're back to using our 3/8. Just like that. Easy peasy, folks. So, alright, this has been Outdoor Guy 365 coming at you with another great video. Talk to you later, YouTube. Bye-bye.